Two construction workers are in the hospital after the cherry picker bucket they were in went crashing to the ground. It happened early this morning along the 1604 access road and I-10. TXDOT now in the process of reviewing their safety measures after what happened this morning at that busy intersection of 1604 and I-10. KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs has more.
Throughout the day, workers with the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, have been out here documenting the aftermath of this morning's accident. Authorities say two construction workers ended up getting pinned, rescued by firefighters. They were taken to the hospital.
It was a chaotic scene around 1 a.m. here along Loop 1604 and I-10. According to TXDOT, contractors were in the middle of removing a temporary beam when it fell and struck an aerial lift with two workers inside. It sent them crashing more than 30 feet to the ground. You can see the chain that police say snapped, causing the beam to land on the cherry picker basket, now a mangled mess. Firefighters rushed to rescue the trapped workers.
I hope they get better and get back to work when they can. San Antonio.
Gary Goodman says he used to work in construction and is well aware of the risks that come with the job. Not only is he concerned for the well-being of the injured workers, he's also curious what's being done by the contractor and TXDOT.
The first thing they should do is be more safety conscious, just for the general fact that something can happen somewhere and you just never know what's going to happen.
A TXDOT representative says an emergency meeting was conducted to review safety protocols. They stressed safety is TXDOT's top priority and a full investigation will be conducted.
And at this time, it's unknown how this incident will affect the timeline of the highway expansion project. At last check, the construction workers involved in this accident were in serious condition. I'm Zach Briggs, KENS 5.